Welcome back to my channel. Guess what I have in the mail today? Finally! Jeffree Star, bitch, you know the pink packaging. I opened it up already because I was so excited to like get into it because I've been waiting for almost a month, 3 weeks. It's been on pre-order. And I was so upset. If he told me that, I would have like ordered it yesterday or something, you know, like, but I'm happy I got it regardless. So this is what it comes, and it comes with a signature pink packaging. And yeah, I have the Supreme Frost and the lip liners, which I'm gonna review today for you guys. And also under here, I fucking forgot. They gave me a postcard. Well, it's like for the liquid frost. I can't open it right now, but oh well. So yeah, we have the Velour lip liners, and I'm sorry y'all, I already opened it because I couldn't wait. I was mad. I fucking wait 3 months, 3 weeks, and I finally got it. So I did open it already, and I did cracked into the Supreme Frost. So it's kind of like more of a review type of instead of a first impressions, but I'm still gonna show you. So this is what the lip liners look like. I got two. I got it in the shade Leo and in the shade Dominatrix, cause it's like a brown color. I was like, what happened if he made a dominatrix and a lip liner? Cause I always love a good ombre lip effect with a dark brown lip line and then a nude in the middle. Girl, yes, that's my fantasy. So yeah, I got these are what it looks like. It looks so pretty. I love the packaging. It's really bougie and extra. I only used Leo so far. I didn't use Dominatrix, so I'm gonna use Dominatrix for this video today because my mom, I'm gonna use my mom's lipstick. I'm sorry, Mom. She got Dominatrix, so I'm gonna use it. So, yeah, Dominatrix and Leo. So let's start with the lip liners first, and I'm gonna review the Supreme Frost. So I'm gonna swatch Leo first. I already used it yesterday, so this is what it looks like with one application. It looks pretty nice. So this is what it looks like swatched. Just like he said, one swipe coverage. That's all it needs. And it's not really dry. Like when I used it, it wasn't dry or crumbly like other people said. Like it really was creamy, but if you do go over it, like if you're that type of person where you just go over it and it's gonna crumble. So maybe that's why a lot of people are saying it's crumbly. But I only used it I only needed to use it one around. So yeah. And this is Dominatrix. You see, I see it's like a dark brown. Ooh. A little piece came off. He has like a dark brown liner. I like it a lot. See, I'm gonna use Dominatrix on my lips, and I'll be right back because I have to get the lipstick. I wasn't ready. I'm gonna put the lip liner on right about now. Guys, this is how much I used. A little bit, but other things I saw about it was it has a sticker on it. I don't really mind. It has like a sticker right here of the Dominatrix. I don't really mind. I don't know why people are like girl. Anyway, let's see. I'm gonna swatch like to see if they match in color, Dominatrix and the lip liner Dominatrix. Let's see. Oh my god. Exposing my mom's lipstick. Why did it come out like that? Oh, it's like dry. Yeah, as you can see, they do match perfectly. So I'm gonna put Dominatrix on And yeah, pray for the best, guys. Oh my god, this liquid lipstick is dry. Lipstick is like perfect for fall. The only thing I do have a problem with is you can see under here it's like breaking up like a little bit, but other than that it's really good. It looks really perfect. I love it, but I use it more for like a ombre lip than like just putting this on, because girl, I will get clocked the house if I wear this outside, bitch. Bet you wearing lipstick. Ah! So yeah, but I love this lip line. Like Leo, they don't budge at all. Like I ate tacos, I ate burgers yesterday, and that shit did not budge. These lip liners are awesome. I love these lip liners. These are passable. On to the next product I have is the Supreme Frost. And I got it in the shade Wet Dream because I was gonna get Frozen Peach, but he said that Frozen Peach is a subtle highlight, and I'm like, what? No, that matched me perfectly. Like Frozen Peach would have been my perfect match, but it's subtle, and I'm not a subtle hoe. I love a blinding highlight. So let's see what it says on the box. Sparkle to the max. Bling bling bitch. Shine bright like a lighthouse. Extreme payoff. Vegan and cruelty free. And it has a crown on the back, which is perfect. This is so pretty. I love the packaging. And the feel of it is like, it feels different than his Skin Frost packaging. Like the box is like smooth and like almost rubbery. Like it feels like different. Like I live for the packaging. So let's crack it open, bitch. If I could open it, and I use the Supreme Frost already, so it's like a review as well. But I just gotta say, I love it. Yes, I do. I love it. Finally, I opened it. Alright. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks stunning. Look. Oh, man. Yes. And I love how, like, it has, like, well, no. The only thing I don't like about it is it don't have a mirror. So this is, y'all could barely see the product. That's how blinding it is. But basically, it's like, it's cute because it has his logo. And it has a lot of stars around it. So that's really cute. But this, I have to say that it is glittery. If you don't like a glittery highlight, you're not gonna like this. And I personally don't like a glittery highlight, but it's not like glitter. Like it's not like, oh, let's just put a loose glitter on and dab it on my cheek. No, it's not like that. It's like not a lot of glitter, but it's more of a highlight than a glitter, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, and it has Jeffree Star Cosmetics over here. It's really pretty, but yeah, the only thing I don't like about it is like it don't have a mirror. And I know that would have been more expensive, but I want a mirror. I don't want to use another product to like use it as a mirror. It's so annoying. But and it's magnetic as well. See, look, watch. Ah! So I have his Skin Frost to compare it. So the Skin Frost is way bigger, and the Skin Frost has a mirror. Girl. But yeah, I got this in the shade Siberian Gold. I've had this for like a year now. But let me swatch it. Let me compare it. So this is Siberian Gold. I never use this shade either. Like, oh my god. I have like a lot of more highlights, but like I want to start using this again. Look at it, it's fucking blinding. It's not magnetic. And let's watch Wet Dream. And like the feel of it is like, for it to be a gel hybrid, it's like dry, but it's smooth. It's not like dry like, damn bitch, you need some water, honey. So this is Wet Dream. See, like you see the glitter, but it is like, look at it. It's like, in a way, it's more blinding than Siberian Gold. Yeah, like you see it, it's like literally wet compared. Wow, that's everything. So, the moment you all been waiting for, let's put this shit on. Alright, so I'm gonna put literally, a little goes a long way with this product. 1, 2, 3. It's fully coated. Look at the glitter. And let's put it on. Yup, it's blinding, but it's glittery. You could definitely build it up. Look at that. Yes. Now let's do the other side. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, and I'm using a Morphe Y14 brush, by the way. Look at that. It's blinding, but it's glittery. Like I got a story to tell you. I'm gonna put it on my nose, and I like to put it up here too. And a little on my chin. And my signature. Yes! Look at this fucking glow! Oh yes, I could build it up too. Oh, it's so perfect! So, yeah, whatchamacallit, what was I gonna say? So, yeah, I had a fucking a story because my brother, me and him were playing soccer, and then he was like, give me the ball, and then like he was like, and then like all this glitter came on his hand. I was like, he's like, why is there all this glitter on my fucking, on my, not fucking, but like, why is there glitter on my hand? Like, this highlight is glittery, but it's like, I don't know, like it's weird. It's like a different formula from his Skin Frost. Like, his Skin Frost is more of a powder-based consistency other than, like, glitter, you know? Like, it's like, I don't know. Ooh. Okay, anyway. So, if you know, oh my god. So, yeah, this review is over. So... So yeah, all in all, this Supreme Frost is good. I love it a lot, and I'm gonna use it more. Ooh. Okay, package, I just did that, and then start messing up. Anyway, so yeah, the Supreme Frost is good. The Supreme Frost is good. I do like it, but it's more of a glittery base consistency. But look at that glow. Look at it. So yeah, if you like glitter, then this is your bestie. It is $32 though, it is expensive. I don't know. But look at the packaging. He said it's more expensive because it's like a pearl, like a Korean pearl that made it like more expensive. I don't know. But yeah guys, if you love more like a powdery, blinding, no glitter, then this will be good for you. But if you like glitter, if you're a glitter girl, then this will be good for you. So So yeah, and lip liners, I already said they're good. Passable. This is passable. And this is passable. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, you already know what I do, honey. Give it a big old that. Okay, guys, I hope you guys like this review, and I hope, you know, if you like it, go ahead, honey. So yeah, if you like this video, you already know what to do, honey. Give it a big old thumbs up. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much. I love you, my moon baby.